It's day 22 of the Medieval Cat Advent Calendar. And you guys were right. The missing trinkets all seem to have fallen to the bottom of the calendar. So we've been getting lots of bonus trinkets. Well, so-called bonus trinkets. Since it's Christmas week, Summer is wearing her festive Santa baby jacket. Let's see what surprises, or so-called surprises, this Advent calendar has in store for us today. I've got multiple pieces again today. Okay, we've got 3 more pieces today. We're just having all sorts of luck, aren't we? So we've got 2 more days left. Let's see what tomorrow has to bring. Bye-bye.